So here we have an example of using synthetic division. So we'll go through the process of setting it up and then doing the division and then writing the answer. So you look at the divisor, it's going to be the opposite of whatever number there is. So remember, it has to be x minus c. So we have x plus 2. We're going to think of it as x minus a negative 2. Or think of whatever x value would make this binomial 0. So negative 2, that's going to go up there in the box. Then we look at our dividend here, and we pull off the coefficients, make sure all the terms are there. So it goes x cubed, x squared, x constant. 4 terms, highest degree is 3. That's all the terms are there, so we're not missing anything. So we're going to write 3, leave a little space, 10, space, 6, and negative 2. Okay? So the problem says use synthetic division to find the quotient and remainder when, and then it has this polynomial is divided by that polynomial. Now why they didn't just write it out with a division sign, I'm not really sure, but that's their choice. Okay, then we drop down and draw that line. Okay, the first term always comes straight down, 3. Then we start our multiplying. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, and we scoot over a column. 10 and negative 6 is 4. Then we take the 4 times the negative 2, which is negative 8. Then we're going to add the 6 and the negative 8 to get negative 2. And then again, we're going to go back. We always go back to the box. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. And then negative 2 and 4 is just 2. And I always put a box around that last answer because that is the remainder. Okay, so that's just the work. Now, how do we write the answer? We started out with x cubed, right? So we're going to go down a degree and we're going to have x squared. So 3x squared plus, it was a positive 4x, so you go in order, minus 2, that'll be the constant, and then the remainder is 2. Now, I think in the last example we put 2 over the divisor, which is correct to do. In WebAssign, I noticed they're going to ask for the quotient. So this part's the quotient, and then they're going to say what's the remainder. So they write it out separately, and that's fine too. So the remainder is 2. Okay, quotient is 3x squared plus 4x minus 2, and then the remainder is 2. And that 2 comes from where I have the arrow that says remainder. Okay,